How to copy Facebook page link. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open Facebook and then go to the page that you want to copy the link of. Just go to a random page.
حلقة
Say for example
شوفوا الحاجة
this one.
حلقة
I
اليوم
want to
في
copy
سلسلة
the
أغرب
link of
كائنات
this page.
الكوكب تقودنا
What you
إلى
need to do is
مخلوقات غريبة.
go to the page and then click on the three dots under the profile picture, and at the bottom you can see that the last section it mentions the page name and it says link. So this page link and that page link, and at the bottom it gives you the link and the option to copy it. So what you need to do is just click copy link, and as you can see at the bottom, Facebook tells you that the link to this page has been copied. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can copy the link of a Facebook page. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.